Hello. So here's the skirting board. Now I've put that expanding foam in, and it does expand to about twice its original size. It's all come bulging out, which is fine. And then I can trim this off, and then once it's trimmed off, I will then fill it using my resin. So to trim off, you just literally slice like that, slice the other way, and it comes off really easily. Beautiful. Let me change hands. See, I can even use my left hand. Quite handy to be ambidextrous, however you say it. Ambi, I can never tell. Oops, now I'm going to change back again. Slice off the other way. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, see? And then, because obviously that's not filled flush to the top, that's where I'll then put this fabulous resin filler when I've mixed it up, and I will square it off down the wall across there. And like I said, I'm going to bevel it slightly so it'll be more like that angle rather than like that, because I don't want there to just be resin in here and joining just there, because if it does expand and contract, which it will do, it's a staircase, you're liable to get the tiniest crack there. Even though resin is the best solution to that problem, it still could happen. So I'd rather, instead of just doing it flat like that, bevel it slightly. So see that little gap under the knife? That's where the filler will also be. So you're spanning right the way across. And just by being at that slight beveled angle, it doesn't look funny. This doesn't have to be a complete right angle. It can be slightly beveled. Nobody will ever notice. And I'd rather have that than have that potential line there cracking back open again. Because even with this squishy foam in here, this expanding foam and resin, which is the best way to solve this because the carpentry is shocking, it is still liable to have a little hairline crack along there. So it's better to bevel it right the way across. Okay, bye.